Welcome to Academic Gain Tutorials. In this video, we will discuss the differences between dividends and capital gains, two important sources of return for investors. Understanding these concepts can help investors make better financial decisions and choose investment strategies that match their goals. Number 1. Dividends are paid from a company's profits to shareholders, whereas capital gains arise from an increase in the market value of an investment asset. Number 2. Dividends are usually paid periodically, such as quarterly, semi-annually, or annually, whereas capital gains are realized only when the asset is sold. Number 3. Dividends provide a regular stream of income, whereas capital gains provide profit through appreciation in the asset's price. Number 4. Dividends can be received even if the share price does not increase, whereas capital gains depend on the asset's value rising above the purchase price. Number 5. The company decides whether dividends will be paid, whereas investors decide when to sell an asset and realize capital gains. Number 6. Dividends generally offer moderate and stable returns, whereas capital gains often provide higher growth potential. Number 7. Dividends are usually taxed as income according to tax regulations, whereas capital gains are taxed when the asset is sold and the gain is realized. Number 8. Dividend tax liability arises in the year the dividend is received, whereas capital gains tax becomes applicable in the year of disposal of the asset. Number 9. Dividends are commonly distributed in cash to shareholders, whereas capital gains are generated through the increase in asset value. Number 10. Dividends tend to be less volatile and more predictable, whereas capital gains are more affected by market fluctuations and price movements. Number 11. Dividend-paying companies are often mature and financially stable businesses, whereas capital gains are more commonly associated with growth-oriented companies. Number 12. Dividends are preferred by income-focused investors seeking regular cash flow, whereas capital gains are preferred by growth-focused investors seeking wealth accumulation. Number 13. Dividends provide liquidity without requiring investors to sell their shares, whereas capital gains require the sale of the asset to access the profit. Number 14. Dividend eligibility is determined by the ex-dividend date, whereas capital gains have no specific eligibility date and depend on ownership and sale timing. Number 15. Dividends are generally more predictable when a company has a consistent payout history, whereas capital gains are less predictable because they depend on market conditions. Number 16. Dividends can continue to be paid over many years, whereas capital gains are usually realized as a one-time profit when the investment is sold. To summarize, dividends provide steady income and greater stability for investors, while capital gains offer stronger growth opportunities and long-term wealth creation potential. A balanced investment approach often combines both dividends and capital gains to achieve financial objectives effectively. If this lecture was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.